Hi everyone, I'm Corey. It's nice to virtually meet all of you. First off, I'm sorry for the weird lighting on the video. I can't quite figure it out. It's either too bright or too dark, so I'm just going with it as is. Anyway, here's my I Am From poem. I am from a valley of constant drizzle, with green as far as the eye can see, where old man's beard clings to trees hundreds of years old. I am from snowmelt rivers and beautiful coasts not fit for swimming, with endless hiking trails and wilderness so vast solitude is easy to find. I am from vegan food and wax paper sandwich bags, from tie-dye, Saturday markets, and the smell of burning incense, where everyone hugs upon meeting and again when they say goodbye. I am from a country fair like no other, filled with vaudeville, stilts, and gnomes, where distant sounds of a drum circle can always be heard, and shirts are optional for all. I am from living with my sister, mom, and her partner, and being the only boy in the house. Leaving the toilet seat up was always a point of contention. I am from unaccompanied flights across the nation to spend summers with my family, reconnecting with my cousins and half-siblings year after year in a short amount of time. I am from skateboarding on rare days it wasn't raining, and stealth missions to play RuneScape late on school nights. I am from a town small, quaint, and beautiful, but with nothing to offer its youth, where partying and bouts of teen delinquency naturally fill that void. I am from meeting my lifelong partner in high school math and moving to the same place for university, together maintaining childhood friends while expanding our group to include many more. I am from music festival summers and camping for a week at a time, waiting for lineup announcements and constantly retelling stories of previous years. I am from having musicians as friends, where many weekends were spent traveling, supporting them at shows, and dancing late into the night. I am from a never-ending cycle of injuries from skateboarding, snowboarding, rock climbing, learning the hard way that taking the doctor's advice and resting is for my own good. I am from my passions and hobbies taking up all my attention, stressing myself out if I can't fit them into my schedule. I am from moving to Seoul and gaining a Korean family, getting married in hanboks and bowing at least a dozen times. I am from teaching English, learning a new language, and adapting to a new culture, making good friends from all over the world, only to always be saying goodbye as they leave. I am now from a family of 2 countries, not really sure where we will end up. Somehow being okay with that because I know I won't be alone. I love where I'm from because it's made me who I am, but figuring out where I'm going next is what excites me most. Thank you.